GoPro died and it's on 17%. I should swap out the battery, but I don't know why it died. It said that it ran out of battery. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris, back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope everything's good, you know, all that good stuff. Today we're doing something that I should have done a long time ago. We're gonna go take the Roush to a body shop to get a quote of pretty much almost everything that I want to do to this car. I decided to swap out the battery because it just died again. But yeah, I want to get a lot done cosmetically to this car. Roof, front bumper, side skirts, radiator support, my pinch welds. My pinch welds are the worst. I definitely want to get those fixed. I'll throw up like a little video right now. We're just gonna discuss what I want to do and discuss about cost, so I'm not gonna drag it out too long and explain every little thing. We might get the car on the lift. If the car does go on the lift, I will start vlogging. I did bring my ramps because my car is hella low. It's not even hella low, just everything hangs low. Walls hang low, just wobble to the, like that type of low. Like everything just hangs so low and just hits everywhere you go. Like I said, I ain't gonna drag it out too long. I'll see y'all over there. My fiance's here. So right now we're just gonna do a quick oil change on my girl's car, and then I'll show you guys the damage underneath my front bumper. About that, it is repairable, thankfully, so I don't need to buy a Duraflex front bumper. I could just go with my OEM one, have it repaired, repainted, and then be good. Okay, so it should be this one.
This one?
Yeah, it should be those. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, I'm getting ASMR sounds from TikTok. No, I'm gonna drop it on my head.
She's getting ASMR clips for TikTok. Now she has the sneeze in there.
Oh, you're right.
What?
Hold on. You're right about the sneeze, bro.
Yeah.
How do I do it?
Women wanted equal rights, right? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get canceled for that. Damn, iPad kids, huh? Always on their phone. iPad kids, huh?
What are you talking about?
I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding.
You're ruining my ASMR.
Oh yeah. Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Oh, there's hair in my face and in my mouth.
You put something else in your mouth.
Full of cap. He didn't give me nothing, guys. He's full of false hope. Even though he said he was. He's full of.
Hey, I fell asleep, y'all.
My hands got dirty. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Guys, tell him to teach me how to do an actual oil change, not just having to remove the under tray and hand him stuff.
She's gonna do the oil change, okay? She's doing the oil change right now as we speak. The only thing I did was jack up the car.
No.
This is part of the oil change, babe.
The oil change.
Yeah. Oh, this is the thing I hate about it. I forgot. Oh, this it doesn't come off all the way. Damn.
I took it.
This,
oh, you still recording?
Oh, yeah. It's okay. Don't
record yet until it starts making the sound. Guys, I don't think I'm strong enough.
You can do it. Good thing there's no oil in there.
Rookie mistake.
You got it,
Babe, take your phone.
You can do
it. No.
You can do it. You want me to do it?
Just loosen it a little bit.
Alright. I'll do it. Hold on.
I can't. I don't think you can either. I can't see.
Let's go. Oops. Hold it against the hole and then pull out, okay? I know we're not used to pulling out, but
and like if you're still pushing it up.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Push it up as you're loosening it, and as soon as like you can't loosen it anymore,
I don't know how to tell.
Pull it back a little bit. The bolt, you can't pull it out, huh?
No.
Okay, because it's still hanging on by threads.
Okay, I'm scared.
No, you're good. You're good.
The oil's hot.
Is it really hot?
Not really hot, but it's like warm.
Because this part, you're gonna want to like yank it out and make sure it doesn't get on you. Okay.
Yeah.
If you drop it in there, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
I'm very scared. You make it seem like it's a bad thing.
No, no,
I think I'm ready.
Okay.
Can I yank it?
Yeah, yank it.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I think I'm ready. Ready.
Okay. Oh, yeah, a couple more threads. Oh, there you go. There you go, man. That's how you do it.
Oh.
There you go. So you can't no more. Cool. Now we get the ratchet. And then we flip it the opposite side. Tighten. I usually do it like this. I give it support. And go like that. Okay.
You won't have to do it.
I cannot.
It's done, but
Yep,
like.
there you go. You're good.
But like,
I think that should
I'm
be
not
fine.
strong enough.
No, that should be fine. Honestly. Yeah, that's good. Till like you pull on it, and it should be good. And we do this part. So we're gonna get a little messy. Ooh, goddamn. Yep. That's what I meant.
Damn.
Yeah. Little change of scenery. We're out here doing a photo shoot with my boy Mark. Right there, right there, right there. As I was saying, we here with my boy Mark taking some pictures. And then my baby's right here, you know, doing her little thing. But yeah, my boy's Miata is right over here. Let me show it to y'all real quick. This little white Tic Tac right here. Oh, you got the sparkles right there too. Y'all can barely see it, but you got sparkle seats. I forgot to give y'all an update and kind of show y'all how messed up the front bumper was. But basically the front bumper is gonna get repaired. Thankfully. Front bumper is gonna get repaired. We're gonna get that plastic welded because the parts that are messed up is pretty bad. See, look, you see how I can stick my fingers inside my bumper? That's not supposed to happen. There's this little piece right here. There you go, look. It's just, there's that piece right there that's just hanging off. They're gonna save this front bumper for me and completely transform it. So I can't wait for that. I'm just waiting on the quote, and once that happens, we doing it. Okay. Ooh, this is a good thumbnail. It's the homie Mark working. Oh, bro, that's a clean shot. let me not show YouTube. Let me not show YouTube. I'll actually drop some pictures that Mark took of my car. It's actually, I used one of them for one of my thumbnails.
Hold on, I gotta fucking delete some of those things, bro. I had to keep playing with the lighting, but this is probably my favorite one though, if I can get to it.
Ooh.
Yup.
With the arc in the back. You want something different, huh?
I'm gonna change the color on these though, bro. Because, bro, gotta be different. They can't be silver. I miss my chrome wheels, bro. I just miss them, bro. Like, just like on the black paint. You know what picture I look at that makes me miss them? Is the ones that you took at Evergreen.
Dude, all those pictures at Evergreen came out insane.
That's
bro.
why, bro. Like, look, like especially this shot right here. Oh shit, not this one.
Yeah, that shot right there. So are you gonna make it? I'm gonna make
chrome? It. No, I'm gonna triple chrome them. Like, watch. Tell me that ain't hard, bro. Come on.
It is, but you're gonna get rid of the Yankee sticker.
No, I'm gonna buy the stickers and put them on.
I'll make them for you, bro. I have a sticker maker.
How long have I known you and I didn't know this was a drift car?
Fuck, bro. I mean, shit, probably over like 3-4 years.
Dude, this is like a full-on drift car, like.
But I've only had this car for like.
The AN lines to the catch can. Wait, hold on.
We won't even talk about that, bro.
Ain't no one see that.
Let me just put this back, bro.
Got the AN lines to the catch can, which is right there, and then look at his hydro. Oh, these are the seats that I was talking about. Look, big baller. Look at that freaking hydro too, bro. Oh, you got a little. Is that AFR gauge or?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
I'm gonna change it though to the pillar. I like the pillar. Bro.
Damn, bro. This really is a full-on drift setup, bro.
That shit looks fire.